वेलकम बैक डियर स्टूडेंट्स इन जय क्लासेज। आज हम अपनी इलेक्ट्रोस्टैटिक्स की एमसीक्यू सीरीज को आगे सॉल्व करते हुए जो अपनी नई शुरुआत चल रही है उसमें चलते हैं। सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन दिस सीरीज, कंसिडर द रीजन ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड एज शो इन फिगर, वर्क डन बाय द इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड इन कैरिंग ए प्रोटॉन फ्रॉम पॉइंट बी टू पॉइंट ए will be. So what is the answer of this question? You can guess the. Let us start the solution of this question. We know work done by charge is equal to delta V. This implies work done is equal to charge into delta V. What is the value of charge on proton? You know about this. 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb into delta V from this question is 10 volt. Answer of this question 1.6 into 10 raised to power minus 18 joule. So answer A. Next question. Suppose there is a uniform electric field E is equal to 20 volt per meter I cap. What is the meaning of I cap? It means direction of uniform electric field in this question along x-axis. Next, if a negative charges move in minus x direction, thus the electric potential energy. So you can solve this question. What is the answer of this question? Along uniform x-axis, the direction of uniform electric field E is equal to 20 volt per meter, and negative charge move in x direction, means charge move along negative x direction. Then direction of force and displacement both are opposite in direction. So we know the potential energy is equal to the work done by the moving charge, and work done is equal to total force into displacement. For total work done, we can do the integration of the small work done and integration of F dot ds. After solution, the angle between force and displacement is 180 degree in this question. So work done becomes in negative, means potential energy decreases, because cos 180 degree is equal to minus 1. So you can guess the answer of this question, option B. Next question. Suppose there is a uniform electric field E is equal to 20 volt per meter I cap if a positive charge, note down this in this question, positive charges moves in the positive charge in the minus y direction, does the electric potential energy. What is the angle between force and displacement? 90 degree, means cos 90 degree is equal to 0. So work done is equal to dw F dot ds, then F ds cos 90 degree is equal to 0, means no any change in the potential energy. So answer of this question, option C. Next question. A particle of mass m and charge minus q circulates around a fixed charge q in a circle of radius small a under electrostatic force. then what is the total energy of this system? Yeah, total energy, not potential energy. Write down this term. Along a circular path, which charge move? Minus q, and around a small q charge. Radius of this circular path is small a. And we know which force is responsible for motion of the circular path? Centripetal force. Means mv square by r, but here value of r is small a. Which force is provide? Centripetal force, Coulomb's force. K q1 q2 means q square upon a square. So this implies v square is equal to k q square by a into m, but we can also calculate mv square because for requirement potential and kinetic energy, then kinetic energy of the charge is equal to, of the system is equal to half mv square, then value of kinetic energy is half k q square by a, and potential energy you know k q1 into q2 upon r, but here value of r is small a, then minus kq square by a. So using equation first and second, what is the total energy of the system? Total energy is equal to potential plus kinetic. You can solve it. And what is the answer of this question? After solution, you can give the answer. So option A. Next, work done in carrying an electron from A to B lying on a equipotential surface of 1 volt potential is. It means what is the work done? And you know about equipotential surface means equal potential. It means in equipotential surface potential is constant at every point of surface. Which surface? Equipotential surface. And which charge move? Electron. So work done is equal to charge into change in potential. For equipotential surface, change in potential is 0. Then answer become 0. I hope, dear student, you can easily solve our MCQ questions. नेक्स्ट हम इस सीरीज को कंटिन्यू करते हुए अगली जो क्लासेज आएंगी उनमें डिस्कस करेंगे, तो आप बने रहिएगा हमारे साथ. थैंक यू फॉर टुडे क्लास.